everyone, Greg here. Now, as you well know, I was in Singapore for a while and I used to go to the hawker centres and the coffee shops there all the time for dinners. And one of my favourite things that I used to eat there was this braised potatoes. It's a Chinese style potatoes. It's only 2 ingredients. It's so easy to do and it's only 2 ingredients. So let me show you how to make some Chinese style hawker centre coffee shop braised potatoes. Let's start cooking. Did I mention it's only 2 ingredients as well? That's right, 2 ingredients! So for this you'll need like 3 medium-sized potatoes and some soy sauce.
I'm a soy boy.
Now when cooking with potatoes, a lot of people like to peel them. I can't see the sense of it personally, but this is the recipe, so I'll follow it. Well, with at least 1 or 2 potatoes. So grab your peeler. We'll start peeling. It's so dangerous doing this. You could easily lose a finger or a toe if for some reason you were doing this with your feet. See, this is why I don't peel potatoes. Because I can't see, look, just stay still. I give up. I'm not gonna peel the others. The amount of nutrition that you're throwing away when you peel a potato is just astronomical. Keep the skin on the potatoes, fellas, and you'll be fit and happy and healthier. And it'll save you about 5 minutes in time as well. But sometimes the skins can add a little bit of a sourish sort of taste to the end product. So it's probably best to remove them, but you know me. Just so lazy. So to cut the potatoes, you have to do it the Chinese style way, the crescent shape. So it's once down the middle, and then we'll cut it into, about 1/2 centimetre bits, maybe a bit smaller, maybe about 4 mils, 4.1 mils to be exact. Now if you don't know what 4.1 mils is, it's about that much bigger than 4 mils. So we'll do the rest. This is a great alternative to your normal everyday mashed potatoes. Oh, you know what I should have done? Is start boiling the other stuff first before I started cutting. Well, I can do that now. So, over to my saucepan. Let's turn it on, because we need this bad boy boiling. I need 1 cup of water to 4 teaspoons of soy sauce. 1,
2, 3. I'm a soy boy.
So we just need to get this soy and water mix boiling. So we'll bring that to the boil. Yep. Don't watch it, whatever you do, because a watched kettle never boils. So the saying goes. Is it boiling yet? No, what am I doing? It's not gonna boil if I look. Okay, I'll stand, look away. Look away, everyone. Oh, finally it's boiling. Oh well, thank goodness for that. So now it's time just to add the potatoes. Oh, this smells so nice. Put the lid back on. We'll bring it back up to the boil and then just reduce the heat a little, just to a simmer. And then we just need to cook it until the potatoes are soft, which will be between 10 and 15 minutes. I mean, how easy is it? This has got to be the easiest recipe ever. And believe me, these potatoes taste awesome. But you can make them taste that little bit more authentic, that little bit more awesome, by adding 1 more ingredient, some Chinese 5 spice. Now Chinese 5 spice is one of the most potent spices that you'll ever find. If you add a little bit too much, you're screwed. So if you are going to add some, which will make it taste, a lot more authentic, you just need to add just like the tiniest little pinch. Oh! So I'll stick my finger in. That's what she said. And just put a tiny, tiny little amount in like this. Believe me, that is all you need. Just a pinch. Even that could be too much. And if you want it to be even more authentic, try getting some MSG. This stuff is really good. It's nice and healthy for you, and it really adds flavour to a lot of things. It's like a crystal. It's Kind of looks like something you'd roll up your $5 note to ingest through your nose, doesn't it? But it's not. It's like a salt. That's all it is. And we'll just add a bit of that in too, just to really boost those flavours. That's simmering nicely now, so I'll put the lid on. I'll turn it down, because I don't want it like the volcano that's over in Hawaii at the moment. I just want it simmering nicely away for between 10 and 15 minutes. How about I put the timer on so I don't forget? Put it on for 10, they'll come back and check it. Yeah. Right, well, it's been about the 15-minute mark. I really wanted them to soften nicely. So let's take a look. Whoa! Man, they look good. So now it's time to serve this up. Now usually this would be a side dish, so you just have it on the side with some veggies and some rice, which is exactly what I'm going to be doing, except without the veggies. So I've got some rice cooked here. Boof. And now we'll just put the potatoes on the side. Or on the top. Well, it's a side dish, so it'll be on the side. So the starch in the potatoes will actually sort of thicken the liquid up that you added in and turn it into a gravy. And in the hawker centres, they like to put this gravy all over the rice to add the flavour to the dish. Alright, well, how easy was that? 2 ingredients, or 3, or 4 if you count the MSG. But still 2, okay? The potatoes have taken on the colour of the soy sauce a little. Let's see if they taste like the ones from that hawker centre. The flavour that I remember. Really soft, really delicious. Slight taste of the soy there. The Chinese 5-spice in there just takes it to that next level a little bit. It's vegan, it's vegetarian. You'll impress everyone with this, and it's cheap, simple, and easy to make. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do make it, I'd like to know what you thought about yours. Thanks so much to all my Patreons who support me every month. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for my next recipe. Cheers, everyone. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the